making a dumped dinner of pasta with a clam puttanesca sauce in an Instant Pot. Now that sounds almost poetic. Now spaghetti always used to be something made by Chef Boyardee or maybe Heinz and sold by the can, from whence it splooped into the pan. You heated it up through and through. Well, cooking a meal any Vanlifer could do. Now, of course, they call it pasta, the cooking of which is much harder to master. It used to come with little balls of beef and tomato sauce, I do believe. It was red and messy, but you knew what you got, and you could always eat it, cold or hot. A shot of Tabasco, salt and pepper thrown in on the run before your belly could complain, well, dinner was done. Now, of course, it's designer cuisine, and it's elegant and expensive, if you know what I mean. Spaghettini, capellini, fettuccine, and rotini, macaroni, cannelloni, rigatoni, and rotini, lasagna, gnocchi, and even manicotti. The names sound exotic and maybe even naughty. Now you pick the right sauce and choose the proper wine. It's a complicated procedure in order just to dine. But I long for the days that used to be when spaghetti was made by Chef Boyardee.